Welcome to LuxuryX, where wealth building is our game. Today, we explore the first key to building wealth: stocks and equities. So what's the deal with the stock market? Well, it's like a giant marketplace for buying and selling pieces of companies, or stocks. And the cream of the crop? Blue chip companies. These are the titans of industry, time-tested and reliable with a history of stable earnings. Think of them as the Olympians of the business world. Or perhaps you're more interested in index funds. These are like a buffet of stocks, giving you a little taste of everything. They spread your risk across many companies, so if one stumbles, you don't fall. Investing in these types of assets has historically proven to create wealth, turning small investments into sizable nest eggs. So consider dipping your toes into the stock market, a historically proven path to wealth. Moving on to our second wealth-building asset, real estate. A fascinating world where your money works even when you sleep. Let's consider the different ways to generate income through real estate. Owning rental properties, for instance. It's like having a money tree in your backyard, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. Or what about commercial real estate? It's not just skyscrapers and malls, but also warehouses and office buildings. These properties can yield lucrative returns as businesses thrive and grow. Then, there's the thrill of house flipping. Buy low, sell high. It's a game of patience and timing where the rewards can be substantial. Real estate isn't just about the bricks and mortar. It's about the potential to generate income and appreciate in value over time. It's about creating wealth for the future. Real estate, a tangible asset that can generate passive income and long-term appreciation. Next up, let's delve into the world of businesses and startups. This exciting arena is teeming with opportunities for wealth creation. Building or investing in a successful business can offer high returns that are hard to match. But what is the secret sauce? It's all about scalability. When a company scales successfully, its profits increase exponentially, while its costs do not. Imagine a software startup. Once the product is developed, selling it to 100 customers costs nearly the same as selling it to 1,000. That's the power of scalability. But remember, it's not just about building a business. Investing in promising startups can also be a goldmine. Venture capital and angel investing are avenues where you can reap the benefits of a company's success without the hassle of starting from scratch. Remember, behind every successful business, there's a tale of great wealth. Now let's venture into the digital realm with cryptocurrency, a world that's a little bit like the Wild West, where fortunes can be made and, just as quickly, lost. Take Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example. These major cryptocurrencies have turned early adopters into multimillionaires. The returns have been nothing short of massive, but it's not all digital rainbows and blockchain butterflies. Cryptocurrency is still a high-risk asset. Its value can swing wildly from one day to the next. It's a market that requires a strong stomach and a clear understanding of the risks involved. It's not for the faint-hearted. But for those who are willing to ride the roller coaster, the potential rewards can be immense. This is the world of cryptocurrency, a brave new frontier in wealth accumulation. It's a digital gold rush that has made some people incredibly wealthy. Cryptocurrencies, a digital gold rush, but not without its risks. Let's shift gears back to the stock market, but this time focusing on dividend-paying stocks. Now imagine a stock that not only grows in value over time, but also puts money in your pocket on a regular basis. That's the beauty of dividend-paying stocks. Companies that have a history of generating strong profits often share a portion of those earnings with their shareholders in the form of dividends. The allure of these stocks is twofold. Firstly, the consistent dividends paid out create a steady stream of income, which can be particularly appealing in uncertain market conditions. Secondly, the capital appreciation potential of these stocks over time can significantly contribute to long-term wealth accumulation. Think of it like a fruit-bearing tree. You plant the seed, buy the stock, it grows over time, capital appreciation, and it gives you fruits season after season. Dividends. Dividend-paying stocks, a two-pronged approach to wealth creation. Moving forward, let's explore the lucrative world of intellectual property. This is a unique sphere where your creativity and innovation can directly translate into wealth. Intellectual property, often abbreviated as IP, includes patents, trademarks, and copyrights, among other things. These rights are akin to owning tangible assets, only these are intangible and born from your thoughts and ideas. Patents, for instance, grant exclusive rights to an inventor for a set period of time. Trademarks protect brand identity, ensuring that your unique logo or tagline remains solely yours. Copyrights safeguard original works of authorship, be it a novel, a song, or software code. Now, the secret sauce to wealth creation here lies in royalties. Each time your patented invention is used, or your copyrighted work is reproduced, you earn royalties. This can be a substantial and consistent stream of passive income, especially if your intellectual property is widely used or extremely popular. So, in essence, intellectual property is where creativity meets wealth. Next, we delve into the exclusive world of private equity. A realm typically reserved for the financially elite, private equity investing involves buying stakes in private companies or delving into venture capital opportunities. Think of it as a high rollers club where the barriers to entry are high, but the potential returns even higher. Here's how it works. Private equity firms buy companies, restructure them to increase their value, and then sell them off for a hefty profit. This process can take several years, but the financial rewards can be substantial. Now, imagine being an early investor in a company that later becomes a household name. That's the kind of lucrative opportunity private equity presents. However, it's important to note that private equity requires a significant initial investment and carries a higher level of risk. It's a game not everyone can play, but for those who can, the payoff can be immense. Private equity, the high-stakes game of the wealthy. Now let's take a look at the timeless wealth-building asset, commodities. As we journey through the world of wealth creation, we encounter commodities. These are basic goods used in commerce that are interchangeable with other commodities of the same type. Think gold, silver, and oil. These are tangible assets, and they have been a favorite of investors for centuries. Why, you ask? These assets serve as a hedge against inflation. When the value of money declines, the value of commodities usually goes up. This makes them a safe bet during economic downturns. But it's not just about safety. Commodities offer an opportunity for growth. The demand for these basic goods is ever present, and as demand grows, so does their value. This means, over time, your investment in commodities can grow, contributing to your overall wealth. Remember, investing in commodities is not just about preserving wealth, but also about growing it. Commodities, a classic strategy for wealth growth. Next, we step into the world of collectibles. Picture an original Picasso hanging on your wall, a mint-condition 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO in your garage, or a rare 1913 Liberty Head nickel in your coin collection. These aren't just items of beauty or historical significance. They're high-value collectibles. Such treasures, be it fine art, rare coins, or vintage cars, have the potential to appreciate significantly over time. They're not merely objects to be admired, but can be investments that generate substantial wealth. But remember, the world of collectibles is complex and intricate. It requires a keen eye, a deep understanding of value, and an appreciation for rarity and aesthetic appeal. Moreover, there's an added joy to this form of wealth creation. Every time you gaze upon your collection, you're not just seeing potential profit. You're appreciating a piece of history, a work of art, or a feat of engineering. Collectibles where passion meets profit. Lastly, let's explore an emerging wealth-building strategy, peer-to-peer lending. This innovative financial solution is reshaping the landscape of lending and borrowing. It's all about individuals lending money to other individuals, bypassing the traditional banking system. Platforms facilitating this model have sprung up all over the world, democratizing the lending process. Imagine being a mini banker, earning interest on your loans, just like traditional banks do. That's the essence of peer-to-peer lending. It's a way to generate passive income while helping others achieve their dreams, whether they are starting a small business, buying a car, or consolidating debt. But remember, as with any investment, there are risks involved. Default is a possibility, and diversification is key to mitigating this risk. Many platforms offer tools to spread your investment across multiple loans. Peer-to-peer lending, a modern take on the traditional lending system. A unique way to build wealth, one loan at a time.